Hello traders, hello investors. How are you guys doing today, my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan. Let's see how Tesla is doing. Tesla is crashing today, dropping minus nearly 7% right now. It lost its key support level in the daily chart at 177, this red line over here. The volume is still very low. In addition, it is losing the most important support level in the weekly chart as well. The 179, this red line, which represents 2021's low. What's more, it is trying to lose the baseline of this descending channel, this purple trend line over here. So Tesla is extremely bullish. It is in a bear trend, and it seems there is no hope for it. I mean, what's next for Tesla? How far can it possibly drop, technically speaking, and what it has to do in order to reverse this bear trend? Well, I'm gonna give you guys more details in this video. First, remember to click on the like button to support this channel, subscribe to keep in touch with my daily analysis, daily insights on Tesla and on other stocks. And it is so funny because because I see people commenting, leaving some comments over here saying that I'm bullish on Tesla, which is totally incomprehensible because I have been telling you guys repeatedly Tesla is in a bear trend. Why? Because it is doing lower highs, lower lows. In addition, it is trading consistently below the 21 EMA, and a few days ago I just warned you guys about this bearish flag, which was clearly triggered on November 16th, and it hit our target. It hit its technical target, our bottom at 177, and today it is losing this bottom level. So guys, Tesla is bearish. Okay, this is a fact. I'm not trying to say that I'm bullish or that I'm bearish. I'm just saying that Tesla is bearish right now. If you really want to know what I am personally doing, check my website, subscribe to my newsletters, join the top 5% of traders that can actually make money and that can actually beat this market. I offer some newsletters to you guys. Some of my services are quite impressive because my portfolio is totally public. For instance, you may just click over here and you will see my personal performance against the S&P. So it is a quite phenomenal performance, to be humble. All right, so if you really want to know what I am personally doing, check my website. The link is in the description of this video. My videos are not financial advice. All right, so I'm just a guy, just a retail trader who likes to share his insights, his thoughts about this weird market. And if I can help you with my insights, great, mission accomplished. All right, so now Tesla is clearly bearish. It lost our support level at 177, and if we analyze in the daily chart, we triggered a bearish pivot point. The pivot point was at 177. By breaking this pivot point downwards, Tesla triggered another bearish structure. It triggered another bearish structure just after retesting the 198, this black line over here, as a resistance. It was previously a support level. Keep this in mind, okay? Keep this movement in mind. This is called principle of polarity in technical analysis. Previous support levels are going to work as future resistance levels, all right? What's more, it did this movement. At the same time, it was doing a bearish flag chart pattern in the 1 hour chart. So yes, Tesla was very bearish since the beginning. Now, what if Tesla bounces, Nathan? What if Tesla actually recovers from here? If Tesla recovers, in theory, it is going to face a hard time at 177 because the 177 was previously a support level. Now, this key point is supposed to work as a resistance level in the future because it is a quite important and relevant key point. So if Tesla recovers from here, it has to break the 177 again if it wants to have any meaningful chance of bouncing again to its 21 EMA, which is descending, by the way. So if Tesla accomplishes, and in doing this pattern, in breaking the 177, the 21 EMA is our next resistance level to work with on Tesla. Okay, and this is it. The trend would still be bullish. It would be just a sign that Tesla is going to bounce, but it won't be a bullish reversal structure. In order to see a bullish reversal pattern, we gotta see Tesla doing more candles over here, doing a more meaningful, strong structure in order for us to see a meaningful reversal pattern on it. Right now, there's not a single bullish sign that Tesla is going to bounce, and there's not a single bearish structure on it indicating that we're going to reverse in the midterm. Now, so, okay, if we see a bounce, we got to break the 177, right? But what if we don't? If we don't see, then Tesla is just going to seek its next support levels. Now, there are two, and let me erase these lines. This is such a mess, right? I don't like to have a lot of junk on my charts. Now, okay, since we are losing this quite emblematic support level, the next support is, we have a secondary support level at 155, which honestly, I have no idea if it is going to work or not. Maybe Tesla is going to react over here, maybe not. I don't know. I don't need to know in order to trade well. Remember, trading is reactive. It is not predictive. We gotta react properly to what we see while the market is doing what it is doing in front of us. So you gotta learn of how to react. All right, and it is quite, again, it is quite funny because I see people trading without a plan, right? If you bought Tesla recently, most likely you are losing money because we are trading at a historical low level since 2021. So every time you want to trade, every time you want to open a trade on Tesla or on anything else, you just got to understand, what is your trading plan? Where are you going to exit if things turn out badly? And if it turns out good for you as well, you must have a stop loss and a target to work with since the beginning. So what I'm doing here is trying to teach you guys of how to avoid this scenario, okay? Otherwise, you're just gonna buy Tesla, and right now you would be suffering massive losses from buying it without a plan. So if you don't have a plan, remember, check my website. The link is in the description of this video. Invest in yourself first, all right? So right now, the 155 is our next technical support level to work with. In theory, the next support is 127, okay? Because it is a crystal clear bottom level from October 2020. The 155 is a previous resistance. And again, previous resistances might work as future support levels, all right? So this is why I don't know if this support level is going to work, and I don't know if this is a primary support level or not, because it was just a previous resistance. Maybe it is going to work as a support, maybe not. Ideally, we would drop to the 127 before reacting, but it is important to keep an eye at 155. So what if Tesla does a bullish reaction above the 155? Then I believe it is going to bounce again to its 21 EMA in the weekly chart. If this happens in the weekly chart. I don't know if it will. Again, not financial advice. I'm just sharing my thoughts. All that I know is that Tesla is in a bear trend. We don't have any meaningful bullish sign. And in my humble opinion, it is too late to sell or to short right now. It is just too late, okay? A good opportunity to sell was above 300s. Anything below that point, it is not interesting to me. All right. Of course, I'm going to keep you guys updated every single day. So if you're still not my subscriber, it is right now, I think is a good time for you to click on the like button to subscribe to this channel because you like it, the content. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Farewell.